Hey guys, Cap here. This time we did 60 Stony tomb runs, and in those Stony tomb runs, we had some pretty good drops this time. Didn't take me as long as before, that was nice. So I can say the benefits of Stony Tomb are the runs are quick, they're right outside of Luga Lane, super fast. You just get in there, do the run, and out onto the next run. Honestly, it probably takes, I don't know, less than 2 minutes. So you get some runs done pretty quick. So getting all 60 runs done took about, I'd say, an hour and a half, 2 hours. It was pretty sweet. Anyway, check out these drops. Thanks and take care. Bone Wand. Bone Wand. Oh, the old Graven Spine. Clegg Claw. Used to be good back in the day for PvP. When you wanted to freeze someone up with the gloves, put Clegg Claw's pincers. Just make them run real slow. Bozons used to run those. Dude, frustrate you so bad. In old school duels. What do we have here? Oh, heck yeah. If that said Corona, I'd be stoked. Oh, what's up? Bro, is that the Alibaba? Oh, talk to me. Talk to me about the Alibaba. And the old undead crown, which is also cool. We'll keep it. Just because it looks cool. Always like the crowns in this game. The Alibaba though, bro.
I am overburdened.
Gloves. Pretty rare. Ooh, Hell Rune. Ho ho. More gnats. I'll take it. Ooh. Dang. Ooh. Jewel Central. Not a good jewel, but nice. What we got here? Better be something good. Nice. It's a nice ring. Espandon. Espandon. Crank table mirror. Nice. Show me the goods. Show me the goods, baby. Then that's not good. Oh ho ho! No way, bro. Yeah. Oh, nice. Let's go, man. That is not good. Nice. A ring and an amulet. One run. That's so cool. Hopefully we get something good. Not that good. Broadsword. Crooked. Here's Wall's Edge. Oh, dude, this is Tal's. It's not. It's not. Oh, Ice and Hearts. Yes! Round show. Hell Rune. Whew. Not that good. Goodness. So many rares. Oh. Bummer. Ooh. Hey, to Russia. 221. 222. Ooh, nice. Let me get over there. Let me get some of that. 20 increased attack speed, 3% life stolen per hit, 10 dex, cold and lightning. Dying. I would have got rid of enhanced defense and had some +2 and some Zon gloves. Dang, those are dope. I mean, they're not really worth much, but self-use. Amulet. And the res is awesome, but that's it. Whoa. Lots of yellow. Wow, look at all that yellow. That's insane. Wow! Most yellow I've ever seen in my life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jeez. Nice. Jewel and a moon, baby. Nice, man. Crappy jewel. With a loon though. Long battle bow. Is that Cliff Killer again? The old Wizendraw.